What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to put to the test 5 pineapple gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. For the first pineapple slicer, this is a new one. As you can see, it's a slicer, corer and spiralizer. So let's chop a pineapple, cut off the top and the bottom, and then all we have to do is just put it in and spin it. You see there's little blades just like a saw. Wanna put it right in the middle and keep twisting it. Look at that. The blade went in there, push it and twist, push and twist. You do wanna push quite a bit of force so that way it continue cutting it. I don't know why the whole pineapple spinning now. Maybe I didn't push it hard enough. Maybe it broke off into a couple of pieces. You see what I'm doing? Makes sense, right? Boom. And then it's going to come up just like that. Now what do I do with the rest of it? Okay, looks like I have to cut off this end, take it out. Then let's see. It should slide out pretty easily. Actually, we need to push the core out first. There you go. Core is out. Now the rest will fall out much easier. Boom. Looks like it broke into pieces, but you have here little donuts. You know what? For the most part, it did stay together. Very nice. But now I could just cut it. Boom. And now it will separate into little donuts. Very, very good gadget. It does take a little bit of force to push it and slide it. I like it a lot. Thumbs up for me. Next pineapple peeler and corer is a little bit different, as you can see. Let's see how it works. Again, you got a pineapple, cut the bottom of it, cut the top of it. Try to do it straight. There you go, this is much better. And next we have to cut it in the middle. Boom. And then right here you got a core that is not so tasty. And on the inside you want to get rid of everything over there. So this is why we're going to get this pineapple core and put it like this. Oh wow, this is actually pretty easy. Oh wow, check this out. You know what? It slid on me. You know what? Let's try this one more time. Kinda go slow up and down. Seems like this is the best way to do it. Takes quite a bit of muscle to chop it up. And look at that, the core is here. I mean, not too bad. As you can see, missed some in the back out there. So I'd say this is a pretty cool design, but takes a bit of practice to chop it up. This one I did too much, this one I did too thick. So, you know what, let's see if I have an even easier gadget that can do that. This pineapple slicer seems to be very promising. It looks like one of those apple slicer, but much bigger. As you can see, this end will peel the pineapple, this end will core it. Okay, once again, same way, we're gonna cut off the top and the bottom. Boom. And as simple as that, we're gonna put this pineapple core down this way. Okay, find the middle of pineapple and just push it down. Wow, how cool is that? All the way down. And you see, what do you do with the bottom of it? You just bring this and slice it all the way down. Boom. Look at that, beautiful. Now take this out. Done. This is perfect. Now the cool part, take this out. Boom. And a core. How amazing is that? Seems to be the simplest gadget, but works the best. This is just two perfect halves. one or two imperfections, but of course pineapples are all different sizes. For the next pineapple gadget, this is ultimate pineapple slicer, corer, peeler. Look at that, spiralizer, it does everything. So let's see if it's actually worth it. The metal base right here, you can buy plastic base. Metal base is a little bit more expensive. Obviously metal is much stronger. Boom. Or also this right here. This is gonna be a peeler. The blade's down. Actually, I think they both sharp both way. Simple. Cut the bottom. Cut the top. Then we're going to slice it up. Put it right in the core and go down this way. Don't have to push hard, looks like. Just kind of let it bite into it by itself. So that way you're not juicing it at the same time. That looks good so far. And then just finish it off all the way down. Okay, pull it out all the way. Did it get stuck? Nope. Boom. Very nice, very beautiful. Couple imperfection over here, but my fault, went a little bit to this side. Oh well. So now, if you wanna slice it or keep it as paralyzed piece, you can just take the whole thing out, slice it to the side, you're good to go. It will be all sliced up like this. But if you want to cut it up in cubes, you're going to put this down and just go all the way down like that. That's it. Oh, no, a little bit more. That's it. Push all the way through. And you have perfect sizes of pineapple. Each one of them is perfect size. So this is why this is ultimate pineapple peeler, slicer, chopper, spiralizer, whatever you want to call it. Obviously stick it in a washing machine, ready to go. The whole thing stays together so you don't have to look for missing pieces. Awesome. This is definitely the best pineapple slicer. And of course, to make it look cool, you can use this empty one, fill it up with all the pieces, put some fork toothpicks on it so people can just grab one at a time. You know what I'm talking about, right? Boom, beautiful. And I have here one more pineapple slicer. This is very different. So it's corer and peeler actually, not so much slicer. As usual, grab your pineapple, try to cut it straight and flat. That way it will slice it flat and straight. Very nice. Simple instructions in the back, I like it. So I guess we're going to put the core right into the core first. Try to keep it straight. Wow. The handle definitely helps, very, very comfortable. And hold it sideways then. Oh man. I think that's why they say first cut it like that, then cut this like this. In the instruction it says to do that as well. Okay, then we're gonna pull this out and then we're gonna push this out somehow without cutting myself. There you go. A bit slippery, but yeah, they did a really good job. Takes quite a bit of power, but ow, painful. There you go. And you have here a perfectly cored pineapple. You know what, this gadget is really cool too. I like it a lot. Thumbs up from me. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below which pineapple gadget was your favorite. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.